Hello, it's Nicolette, and today I'm getting dressed up to take myself on a date. Let's put together some outfits. But quick, it's almost time to pick myself up. This first look is bold, playful, colorful, and a full-on dance party for one. This is a look that says, I'm fabulous and I know it. It's also a little bit of a quirky one-person xylophone indie band vibe, but, you know, in a good way. I decided to go all the way with the red theme by adding some red shades and these adorable cherry earrings. With this next outfit, you don't have to wait around for an 80s punk rock heartthrob. You are one. Turn up that cassette tape and have a mosh pit for one. Make sure to put on a pair of heavy-duty dancing boots and a few spiked bracelets to keep away your 7 deadly exes. If all that punk rock is tiring you out, treat yourself to an espresso and a good book in this next look. This vintage blouse says, "Sorry, I'm busy reading philosophical essays and contemplating the existential nature of our existence." Outfit number 4 is, well, whatever you want. If you just want to wear your comforter, watch a movie, and eat a pint of vegan ice cream, go for it. Just remember, be courteous and text yourself back the next day. Let me know in the comments which outfit you liked best, and then go take yourself on a date. You deserve it.